Green screen removal or chroma keying is a long used technique in the world of compositing, and it allows you to quickly and easily remove the background of a piece of footage while leaving the subject intact. In the past, the tools available to achieve a clean key were a little tricky to use, but lucky for us, we are living in the future and it's easier than ever to get rid of those pesky green screens. I'm Tom Graham for Envato Tuts Plus, and this is a Tuts Plus quick tip on how to use the chroma key tools in Premiere Pro. First up, we need two things. We're going to grab some footage that has been shot with a green screen, and then we're also going to find some suitable footage to composite in as the background, and we're going to grab those assets from Envato Elements, which is a super easy to use subscription service that gives you access to millions of creative assets that you can download and use in your projects right away, just like we're about to do right now. To learn more about Envato Elements, all you need to do is click that little link in the description down below, but right now it's time to jump into Premiere Pro. So here we are in Premiere Pro. I'm just in the editing tab here. As you can see, I've got my two pieces of footage that I'm going to be working with here. I've got our chroma key piece of footage here from Envato Elements. It's pretty basic. Let's just play through. It's just this woman here on the keyboard sitting in front of a monitor which has some green screen on it. It also has these little X tracking markers as well. So if this was a moving shot, you could track things to that. And then underneath, I've got just a bit of footage from a really great YouTube channel that if you're not subscribed to, go ahead and get subscribed now, Envato Tuts Plus on YouTube. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay that footage up underneath this screen so it appears that she's watching it. So really, really simple to do this in Premiere Pro. First of all, I'm going to make sure that the top layer that is the chroma key is selected, and I'm going to go up to Effects. Then I'm going to search for Key. And I've got a few options here, but today we're going to use the Ultra key. I'm going to click the Ultra key, drag that onto our footage with the green screen, and then over here on the left-hand side in our effects controls, you'll see the Ultra key come up, and you've got a few different options. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this little eyedropper here, and we're going to select our green color, and there we go. Straight away, we've removed the green screen, and we're basically good to go. So the next thing we need to do to complete our composition here is select the piece of footage that is underneath. Now I'm going to turn off the top layer for a moment just to kind of see where everything is, and we can see that it's quite large compared to where we need it to be. So what we'll do is we'll make sure that the bottom layer is selected here. We'll scale this down and we'll move it roughly to around about where that screen is, and we'll make it a bit smaller. We'll select our top layer again and turn that back on just so we can start to get a feeling of where this is going to be laid out. Moving it around roughly into the right spot, roughly into the right size, but obviously we're on a different angle here, so how do we fix this up and sell this composition? It's pretty easy. Just go up into Effects and search for Pin, and we'll find one down here, Corner Pin. Drag that onto our bottom layer. You'll see that comes up over in our effects controls on here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in and then we're just going to go on each corner and pin the corner of our bottom piece of footage to our top piece of footage. So on the upper left, I'm just going to move that around till we just see it slightly disappear behind that border there and move it up into that corner. Then I'm going to come down to the bottom left-hand side as well and do the same. Just till it disappears in that corner. Bottom right-hand side now. And then let's go up and finish it off with the top right-hand side. And we'll fit to screen again. Let's play it through. So there you go, a couple of clicks, a few parameter tweaks, and we've got a convincing chroma key composition. I hope this video has helped you out in your editing journey. If you liked it, go ahead and get subscribed. Let me know it down in the comments as well if you want to learn any other quick tips in Premiere Pro. And until next time, happy editing.